Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Made with Love video. Today I have another cute layered card for you. I'm calling this one my Squirrelly Love layered card. How cute is this little squirrel couple just sitting there on a park bench? They're holding a little heart. There's some foliage and some flowers around as well. There's a large spot on the inside for your message, and I include an envelope as well. Layered cards are really fun to put together, and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This file is part of Made with Love 2026. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the download button on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. If you're interested in access to all 12 event files, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing, you can find out more information about the VIP Access Pass for Made with Love 2026 in the description box below. No matter how you download the file, make sure that you download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer. Click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers. Highlight this top layer. Come up to the operation menu and change that to score. Highlight the group and attach. And we need to do the same thing to the card base. Once those two pieces have been converted, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is layer the front cover panel. I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to do this for you. But from back to front, you're going to start with the darker brown, the cream, the lighter brown, red, and then green. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I do that, so I will show you what it looks like when I'm all done. And there is our front cover panel. I'm going to set that to the side so we can go ahead and dry. Let's mat and layer the messaging panel. And we can set that to the side to dry. Take our card base, we're going to fold and burnish along the score line. Go ahead and open up the card and attach the messaging panel to the inside. Close up the card and attach that front cover panel. And there is our card. I'm going to set that to the side so we can go ahead and dry. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Add glue to the outer edge of the inlay panel. Place the inlay over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Bring the side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms your envelope. And our layered card is all set. What did you think of this one? You could totally change up the vibe if you added maybe some pattern paper, some like clouds or some sort of really cool background to the card. It would completely change the look and be so much fun. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Made with Love video. Bye-bye.